Hello viewers, welcome to Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. Viewers, I am Vidyashree from Karnataka. I am presenting this video for you to write Kannada and pronounce Kannada, helping you to learn Kannada reading and writing through our Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Hello viewers, today we learn 7th letter Ru. 7th alphabet, Kannada alphabet Ru. Okay. R U Ru. Sorry. Ru. R U Ru. How to write? Ru. Pronunciation is Ru. Ru for Rishi. Rishi. Rishi means the sage. Ru for Rutu. Rutu means the season. Ru for Runatmaka. Runatmaka means negative. Ru means Runa. Runa means debt, loan.